Alright guys, I'm gonna try a Kitech again on a jig head. It's coming down like crazy here. Guys, I'm crazy in this rainstorm here, but I'm getting them, so I'm gonna stay as long as I could. I'll see you on the water. Hello guys, PH here. It's crazy weather here. This was solid frozen ice 2 days ago, and I came here and I couldn't fish. But we got this crazy weather here. It's been raining in like 50 degrees, and tomorrow it's supposed to be like 30 degrees. So I came here real quick to give this a go. It's raining right now. Let's see if we could get anything. There was 8 inches of snow here the other day. It's crazy. All right guys, here it goes. I'm gonna try this little lure here. This is a Road Runner with a fat tail finesse Lunker City fish. Probably gonna get water on a lens. I'm pointing it down the camera. We'll see if we get anything. It's really coming down now. It wasn't raining on the way here, it was just drizzling. Figure as soon as I step here to fish, it starts pouring. I don't know if anything's gonna be popping, and just skip it over there. The only crazy person. Oh! Fish in here! Let me wipe this lens off. There he is! Popped like a beauty. Come on. You were just in ice the other day, guy. I need my tool. Hold on. I should have had my tool ready to go, but I didn't know if I was gonna get anything. Where the hell is it? There she is. Open up. Makes life so much easier with this little tool. Let's let this beauty go. Right there. Awesome. All right guys, it's pouring here. I'm soaked. I'm wearing a regular coat. When I started coming here, it was just drizzling, but for some reason I got here. Now it's torrential downpours. Trying to keep the lens clear, but I know it's gonna get all crap on it from the rain. Really bad. Oh, he just stole everything. One just came up and popped. It broke right through my leader, guys. Right there. I don't know if you could see it. There's probably rain, but I have to tie back up. I'll see you. Alrighty. I'm gonna try this beauty my cousin sent into the show. I forgot what they were called, but they worked pretty good last year. I'm soaked. It's actually right through my coat now because this ain't a waterproof coat. Oh! Oh man! I almost had one. Try that again. Oh! Come on, stay on, beauty. That's a nice one. Oh, and he got off. Oh, at least I don't have to get him off. Damn, he's a fatty. Whew. Look at that. That's a nice one. Golden beauty. Let's let him go. Guys, I'm crazy in this rainstorm here, but I'm getting them, so I'm gonna stay as long as I could. I'll see you on the water. Something popped it right here and chased it in. I had a leave on it. Let's see if I can get anything. That's my cousin's miracle lure. Oh! Oh, that was a nice one. I'm gonna cast this back out. A nice one followed it in and popped it, but I missed them. They're funny, they follow it. Oh! I got off again! I'm gonna try my bait caster with a different lure on it real quick. Alright, we'll see what they do with this Kitech. I set this up with a bullet weight and I have a little clasp. I have the extra string coming out with UV glue with a knot so the weight can only go this far. So let's see how this does. See if them pesky beauties could pop it. This rod's stiffer, so this should get them. That one follows it in. Oh, there he is. Holy God. Holy. I guess it worked. Holy crow. Dang, look at that. It's got some mean teeth in there. Got him good. It's a nice one too. Look at that. I don't know if there's water on the lens, but let's let him go. I would have never thought in a million years, after 2 days of rain, the water getting high after it was frozen 2 days ago, that these things would be popping. I'm soaked right through my coat. I can feel it on my arms and on my shirt. I don't have a waterproof coat. I don't believe these things are popping in these conditions. This was a good day, even though I'm freezing right now. Soaked solid with water. Holy crap. Oh! I got off! Ah, they follow it right in. Alrighty. Any poppers follow this beauty in now. Oh! Oh! He followed it in. He sure did. Come on, you little bugger. Right there. Perfect. Right on top. Let go of my Kitech. You ain't getting it. I need my tool. I put my tool in the wrong spot. God, am I freezing? There he is. Camera lens wet or not, let's let him go. And then I'm gonna move on to the right over there, so. All right, we're gonna go in here. see what I could do. Oh, I got it. Got high. Alright, let me put this stuff down. I'll get right back with you guys. So far my rig's working pretty good. I set up. I'm gonna try here. I'm gonna try to move some of these debris. There's branches, because the fish will get stuck on them and I'll lose them. Oh, it's cold. What are you doing, P8? What the hell are you doing? Alright, I'm gonna go out. Whoa, like that deep. Alright, let's try this out. See if there's any poppers out here. Again, guys, I got this camera tilted way down to try to eliminate some of the rain, but I know it's gonna get on it. See if they're over here. Stick. I got a stick fish, guys. I knew it. I gotta get this stuff out of here in case I catch one. Got my heated socks on. Oh! Oh, man! Pegged it right coming in. Better luck next time, PH. Better luck next time. Woo-wee! It's cold. Thank God I got this wind grip stuff on this rod, because I wouldn't be able to hold it. It's really slippery. Oh! That was the closest pickerel bite I ever had in my life, guys. That literally was 2 foot in front of me. Holy crow, that was sick. Come here, guy. Oh, alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. What the heck? I got him. Oh, he's caught on the clasp. That's a first time for that. He's caught on my little clasp here. Look. See it on his lip? That's how I caught him. That's amazing. I never caught a fish on like a clasp like that. Oops, first time for everything. Let me try to wipe this off so you can see him better. I know it's probably covered. I caught him on a little clasp, guys. He was stuck on my little no knots. I didn't even get the hook in this guy. Let's let him go. Oh, that water's freaking ice cold. Dang it. Oh, Lord, please make it stop raining. I'm cold. I am soaked right through, guys. Right through. Drenched. See that? Oh man, I needed a waterproof coat. Alrighty guys, I'm going with the spinning setup again, and I'm going to use the lure my cousin sent me. See how this does here on this other side of the pond. Oh, I almost tossed the freaking eyelet out on this one. This rod got them tiny eyelets, so when you tie the string on, it hits it. There he is. So does the fish, apparently. Oh. Oh, thanks for biting, little guy. Hold on, you little bugger. Right in the snout. Perfect. Let me wipe this off so you guys could see. There he is. Let him go.